Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Super long day guys. I've been up from like maybe 4 o'clock. I just couldn't sleep. But now we went to the gym not too long ago, Luis and I, and he's hungry. He's like, yo, I want some tacos. So we're here trying to get some tacos right now. He's vlogging me, vlogging him. Now I feel awkward. But yeah, we're at this taco place. He says it's good, but my stomach is super full. But I'm just taking you guys here to show you guys the experience, and we're here. Alright, so what is that, Luis?
Suadero.
Suadero?
Suadero.
Suadero? What is it exactly?
It's like this part of the cow.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good? So good? Yeah, so I walked. It's a what? It's a palm? See? Two? Yeah. Yeah, gracias. Thank you. So, oh, 2 of each, okay. Okay. Thank you, bro. Alright, so how are you doing it? You're putting like onions on it and stuff?
Yeah. Onion and sauce.
Tell them about the sauce you put on your burger yesterday. Okay. So this is the one that they cut, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this one? Is it like a chicken?
No, it's cow.
Cow? And this one?
Cow.
The same thing as suadero?
No, it's different.
It's different? Okay, whatever, I'll eat it.
This is suadero.
Suadero?
Yeah.
Okay.
And trompo.
Trompo, okay. What is this, salsa verde?
Yeah. Salsa verde. But this is with avocado.
Avocado, okay. Curry? No?
And red sauce with...
You're not eating it like a good Mexican. Like Mexicans don't let it waste. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a really quick vlog. Maybe I'll come back here another day because I didn't bring my tripod and all that crazy stuff. So I'm just gonna eat this really quick. I got a Mexican Coke. What is boing? Is it orange? Like an orange soda?
This is mango.
Mango? Ah, okay. Okay. This sauce is avocado, salsa verde. It's a little bit spicy, but I like it. And I'm gonna get a little bit of this. That's hot? It's hot. Is that sweet?
Sweet and hot.
Okay.
So it's too hot.
Too much pepper. He said it's too hot, so he just saved my life. So I'm gonna add some of this bad boy. And then on YouTube, this is how they show you a good Mexican. This is how a good Mexican put it. You fold it like this, I think, and you pinch. See?
Yeah.
And you eat. He? No, not Mexican. He's American.
Why?
Oh my gosh. It's a pretty good taco. Okay. Good. 15 pesos each taco, right? 15 pesos. So less than $1.
Yeah.
Ooh. So it tastes like a taco for sure, but the onions are almost like pineapples. Oh no, there are pineapples in it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, the after of the trompo, they have
The pineapple on top.
Look.
Okay.
Ah.
about to try this one. What is it called again? Trompo? Suadero? Suadero. I'm gonna try this one now. This time, for this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon. Or lime, whatever you call it. Yeah, lime. Ooh. And then, I like this avocado sauce. It has a nice kick to it. Really nice kick to it. And of course, I enjoy onions, so the good part about onions is that when you cook it like this, it pretty much caramelizes, so it doesn't have that pungent taste anymore. It's more almost sweet. Alright. Let's see. This one tastes more like a cow. It tastes more like beef. Yeah. The other one, was it beef? Yeah. Cow. Oh. This one is more like beef. The texture is more like beef that you would have. So for me, all tacos are good. Taco to taco. I like it. If I were to tell you what that taco tasted like just now, it's almost like a corned beef in a slight way. It tastes similar to corned beef, but it's pretty good. I like this spot. Okay, so I'm leaving the best one for last. This one is my favorite. This is the one with where the meat is between the bone, like between the ribs of the cow. I like this one. The flavor is a lot more distinct, so I prefer this one the most. So, of course, I'm gonna top it with the avocado salsa verde. Squeeze the rest of my lime. Luis is trying to play tough over there. His mouth is on fire. Look at his face. His face is red. He's like. All right, let's get it. So Luis just said this is tortilla amarilla, so yellow tortilla. This is probably my favorite tortilla that I've had in Mexico so far. It's the corn in it is not like overbearing. I don't know. It's soft and nice and very fresh. Yeah, this one is my favorite one so far. I really like it. Complements everything really well. Oh, look at that taco. Oh my gosh, so wet. All right, baby, let's do it. Shh, don't cry. Guys, I kind of exaggerate like how good this taco is. This is my best taco so far, I tell you. It's so good, really good. I love New Mexico. All right, we all done. For those who want to try this place, it's called Taquerias El Nero, huh?
El Nero.
El Nero?
El Nero.
El Nero. Okay.
Nero.
Nero? All right, cool. Thank you.
Taquerías El Nero.
Taqueras El Nero. Okay. As I said before, my stomach was full, but these tacos are so good, you'll make space for them. That's that's a fact. Yeah, I was asking though, like, are there more of these places in Mexico?
I'm not sure. Maybe hay otro Nero por México. O solo aquí
How many more?
Only in the Riviera Maya. Mérida, Cozumel, Cancún, and Playa del Carmen.
Okay, cool. All right, so the bill came up to 154 pesos, which is like $8 maybe. Yeah, around $8, and we got like 8 tacos and
No,
two.
$5.
Huh?
$5.
$5 is 90 pesos. Yeah.
$1 is like 20 pesos.
What?
$1?
A dollar?
Yeah.
No, a dollar is 18 pesos.
Well, 18 or no, 19.
Okay. But yeah, fact of the matter is it's cheap. That's all I can say. Like you can literally feel the heat from that thing back there. It's a whole experience. Whoa. As you guys could have seen just now, if you wanted to sit outside, like the whole street food vibe, you could have, but we wanted to sit inside, so no problem. But it is about, what time is it now? ¿Qué hace tiempo? It's 11:37 and people are out, people are in there eating, so La Playa del Carmen for you. Pretty busy at night. This is closer to the, are we in the tourist zone? Oh, no. Are we in the turismo? Zona?
No,
Not quite.
really.
Not really.
It's near, but
It's near, so not really, but you get the idea. If you were in the tourism zone, bro, like people will be out, right?
yeah.
A lot of people, that's for sure. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna continue the vlog tomorrow because I don't think I have enough footage. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'll just show you some parts of here as we drive around. But if not, I'll just finish off the vlog sometime tomorrow. All my Jamaicans might know these kind of mini bus. Yeah, we got buses like those back home. It's pretty cool. I really hope like the Jamaican people who are watching these videos, you realize that Mexico is not a regular place, because people think that Mexico is kind of like Mexico's like whatever. But for those, again, I'll say it to you, for those of you who are dying to go to the US because you want to go to Old Navy and Walmart and do shopping or whatever, stop going to the US Embassy and wasting your money. Because a lot of people, they keep doing that. Like you guys keep going to the US Embassy, keep getting turned down, and like you can't get a visa. Instead of wasting that money, come to Mexico. When you come to Mexico, come to Cancun or La Playa del Carmen. Once you go to the tourism zone, you're gonna get all of those American stuff. Because remember, Mexico is attached to the US, right? So everything that America has, you guys pretty much have it too, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much the same thing. It feels like an America here, again, in Spanish.